Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using to hopefully fill in the area of my car. I have some 1200 grit sandpaper, 600, some JB Quick Weld, painter's tape, an old card that I don't need, and I happen to have laying around this thick foam, so I used a bread knife to cut out a piece. That's going to be my little sanding block base. Yep, so we're going to see how this goes. Okay, so now that I've wrapped up the center console, I'm going to be using this little sanding block, that's 600 grit, to kind of even out between the piano black and this under portion. And of course the ruined portion that I use the heat gun on, I'm going to just try to rough it up just a little bit to sand it to be a little more even. So we'll see how we do with that. So I've sanded a little bit. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to even out this middle portion here before I even put the epoxy filler, because the heat gun really warped it, and so I'm trying to bring this as even as I can before I fill that epoxy into this area. So I'm just trying to clear this area up. I sanded quite a bit, but logically, if I'm dragging this card over, I should only feel gloss, but right in this area I can still feel a little bit of rough spots, so I think I'm going to have to sand this one area down a little bit more. So I did a little bit of sanding, well actually kind of a lot of sanding, and I'm just checking with this straight edge to see if it's flush. But what I notice is right here the card can rock a little bit back and forth, so I know this is still a high point, but as I progress down here I can't really shake it. So right here it's still a high point, so I'm going to get rid of this by sanding it a little bit more. So for this portion I ended up doing the epoxy. It's kind of hard working on the inside of your car. You know, if I could have removed the console, I think it would have been a lot easier to do this work, but I couldn't, so yeah. So we're just gonna wait to let that set 6 minutes, then sand that down. So I had my lunch and let this thing sit, but you can still kind of see the circle, so I guess I didn't put enough. So I'm actually just gonna do a little bit more to fill in that depression here, and I'll be back. So this is the second layer of epoxy that I put. Not the neatest job, but you know, there might still be part of an edge right there. So I don't know, maybe I'm gonna have to add another coat. It's probably better to put more than less, but we'll see. Okay, today's the second day, and I've started using some sandpaper on this. I think it's like 220 to get it a little roughed up. Hey baby. Anyway, I'm gonna continue on working on this with a finer grade. After a lot of sanding, I put this painter's tape over just to feel if I can feel any discrepancy. I'm thinking the 3M tape is about as thick as this painter's tape, and I can't really feel anything, so I'm hoping that this is Okay. I still need to go over with just a slight finer grade of sandpaper, like the 800 or 1200. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so this is pretty much what it looks like. It feels super smooth. This is a JB Weld epoxy that I used to fill in that slight depression. I'm just waiting for my wraps to come in. I'm so excited. I did not know that this came today. It's from TeslaBros. It's supposed to be my wrap for the car that I totally messed up. So let's see what's in here. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Okay. All right, so it comes with these handles, and they had a really nice video showing how to apply this. And it's got all this stuff in here. So it comes with the wipes and nice squeegee. Ooh, exciting. TeslaBros. I think this is supposed to be like one of the easiest to put on. Okay. Yeah, so TeslaBros or TeslaBros, I'm not sure how to pronounce their name. Anyway, they have some awesome videos showing how to install the wrap. And so I was just watching the video as I was applying portions of the wrap to the console. So check out their website. It's just really good instructions. Okay, so this is the final look of the console wrap. This was from TeslaBros, Tesla Brothers. You can still see a little bit of where I probably could have sanded a little bit more, but you know what, I'm fine with it. Anyway, putting the link for the wrap on the page.